It's happened again, XRP Army. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. So, listen, the markets suck right now, okay? There's no way around it. The markets suck right now. However, there is a way to make money in bear markets. There's a way to still make gains. There's a way to survive. There's a way to follow trends and make moves even in a shit market. That's what we're in. I'm not sugarcoating this. Smash the like button, subscribe down below. I want to break down a few things for you guys in the video. Just talk at you for a little bit. Okay. Point blank, period. I'm just going to tell you guys. Right now, until proven otherwise, one of the best trades you can make in the market, and this is very similar to when XRP was down there at 50 cents. And I told people the same thing back then. You could have done it the same exact way when XRP was at 50 cents for a very long time. And it would fluctuate. It would bounce down below. Every time it bounced down below 50 cents, it got gobbled up and it sent back up to 52, 53, 54 cents. I was making these videos a long time ago. Nobody was watching them on XRP, and I was trading XRP and I was stacking XRP anytime it got down below 50 cents. Well, flash forward here, we're at this similar stage, and the new range is $2 for XRP. Anytime we flash down below it, I have an automated buy. I am longing XRP with short-term leverage trades. I'm not getting greedy, just taking my scalp play, and that's it. Take it back up from 196, 197, back up to 203, 204. It happened again today. It happened yesterday, and it happened again today. And we're currently sitting at 205 as we speak. And we wicked down to 194, 195, somewhere like that, just like yesterday. Now, that doesn't guarantee it's going to happen again and again and again. But when you're trading, when you're investing, the trend is your friend. And more so than the leverage side, opening up short-term positions, which I'll do that here and there. XRP is my favorite asset to do it on just because I know that chart. I've been looking at it for so long, right? And it's less volatile. It has volatility, but it's less volatile. It's more easier to kind of, pin it and target it. But aside from all that, accumulating XRP is my other piece of the strategy. Underneath $2, I'm accumulating. Why? Because the whales call it manipulation. I don't care. I don't care what it is. I'm just a peon. I'm just a normal freaking dude hanging out, trying to make it. And I know that they're manipulating the price and bringing it back up over $2. They're not letting it. They're trying not to let it fall down below $2. And when it does, it doesn't stay down there very long. That's when I want to take a position. That's when I want to add to my position right now. Now, could it drop down to $2 and stay there? Anything's possible. It's crypto. But again, the trend is your friend. You've got to follow these things until proven otherwise. And that's the biggest key takeaway that I want you guys to get. Now, some other things that I'm looking at, just overall, like global, economic-wise, that sort of thing. Bitcoin dipped down to 81 today. I thought there was a good chance it can go all the way down to 77. And we know Bitcoin's important because it's the macro indicator of all of crypto. Makes up 60% of the market. We didn't, though, and we bounced, and we're sitting at 83 right now. Interesting. Is this a new kind of psychological number now with tariffs? The word's out. The verdict's out. Next week's going to be very interesting to kind of see what happens with the markets. How do we digest this? Now, the stock markets in the United States, Japan, everywhere, they're falling, they're tumbling, and there's going to be some short-term pain here, I think, still ahead for us. But to me, I'm buying Bitcoin every single day. They are not going to let this asset die on the vine now that the institutions are in here. And eventually, I think that will lead to an altcoin market. XRP has its own catalyst kind of going for it. The Ripple XRP lawsuit, obviously, with the SEC, that's the big one. Garlinghouse called it the end game. It's over. We're still waiting for official word, all of that. Then it's on to XRP ETFs. Then it's on to adoption. And then we talk about tokenization. There's a lot to kind of look forward to with XRP that are separate from the market. But the macro, the global kind of feeling right now, it's all around tariffs. And I want to see what happens as we enter the weekend into next week. Is this something that the markets can shake off? right? Or is this going to be a lingering issue? I think it can go one of two ways right now. It can go either direction, honestly, and I don't know. So I'm not taking any like crazy plays right now, but I'm locking in. I'm staying steady. I'm making my trades short term. I'm adding to my long term bags under certain levels, as I've discussed in this video. And from there, let the chips fall where they may. I'm going to be here in XRP. I'm going to be here in Bitcoin. I'm not going anywhere. I'm only going to, take what the market gives me, right? At the end of the day, you got to take what the market gives you, and you got to find opportunities in any kind of market to find an edge. So that's it, guys. I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you.